Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial I will show you a simple trick how you can password protect your PDF files free of charge online and without installing any software. So let's get started. So the online tool you may use for that is called so.pdf. So head over to so.pdf.com and here on the homepage click on online tools at the top, and from the list on the next page select password protect. It should be somewhere at the bottom of that list, so let me scroll down really quickly. There you go, protect PDF. So password protect the PDF to restrict editing in a few clicks, and all that free of charge, guys. So what you want to do is enter the password you would like to use for protection down below and confirm it by typing it in the field below. So let me do that really quickly, and after a moment click on protect here to add that password protection to your PDF. And that's basically it. After that you will be given the opportunity to download your password protected PDF file, and that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.